Want to make money online? Take a look at this. You may be interested in finding ways to make money online. The good news is that there are several options open to you. This video will provide you with some great ideas. It is then up to you to implement the ones into your life that seem most appropriate for your skills. Finding the right niche for your talents is the best way to earn income online. Are you good at writing? Promote your skills as a good content writer. Is graphic design your thing? If so, there are lots of people who would be happy to hire you. Introspection can help with this. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Sign up for a data entry job if you want to make extra money on the side. These are time-consuming jobs, but can add up in the long run and do not require a lot of skill. One of the great benefits of this job is that you'll be able to do it in your home. Working online is likely not to make you a millionaire overnight. Even Perez Hilton or Arianna Huffington had to work hard to get their sites to be popular. The same goes for you, whether you are writing SEO videos or designing websites. Don't let frustration cause you to quit if you don't strike it rich quickly. Just think, you can make money right from your own home. So, get started making money online today. You will be glad that you made the decision to do this. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.